Sakit sa tayo ano ka na niya eh.
Kawaii
Oh
plush.
my. Ano?
I don't know. I just saw that kawaii plush thing. Okay, where are we going? What are we?
I don't know. I don't know this game.
So we're here. It's supposed to go sa 3 or
I
something.
think so.
Yeah, but
Let's go.
There's a string on me.
Where? Holy shit.
There's a string on me. There's a string. Ew.
Good boy. Sit down. Ay, gago. Find the box.
Wait, what? Where are you? Oh, you're here.
I'm here. Oh my god, it's dark.
So they just bring us to it right off the bat. Ooh, coin. That's it.
Oh.
So, this box. Oh, we need the key.
Find it. We can run. Oh, there's a switch.
There's light. Oh, there's
Light. Hey,
Okay.
Kevin, you're too fat. The floor is creaking.
I'm sorry. What the? Do you want me to do about it? Oh, we can hide. Oh, there's hiding mechanics. Can we close the door? There's hiding mechanics.
Oh!
See?
Gulat ako.
Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Can they both hide?
No. The fuck?
Alright.
Am I hearing shit?
I don't think so. There's no light.
What the fuck? These empty ass drawers, man. This is bullshit.
There's no.
What the fuck? So we can run with shift. Oh,
Yeah. But I think it makes too much. Ay, I found the key.
yay, nice. What the fuck? What the fuck?
What's that?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What's that? I'm hiding, bitch! Goodbye.
Oh,
It's red. Why is it red?
it's just on the right side. I don't know what it's doing. Where's the box?
The box is too far. Down.
I don't want to open it. Who's opening
I'll open it for you.
No! Close it! Close it! Close it! Zoe!
I'm a gentlewoman. I open the door for you. There you go. Oh my god! Oh my god! I died.
Fuck!
I died. Goodbye.
I died too! I told you not to open it!
What were we supposed to do?
Apparently,
Do we run?
No, dapat nung malayo siya, tumakbo na tayo. But we were trying to process what the fuck's happening.
Go.
Sige.
Hi, bitch.
Hi, bitch. Si Suzu, di marunong
Hi,
mag-spell.
Suzu.
Di ata marunong mag-spelling ng Suzy. Bobo.
You get the key. I'll wait for you.
What the fuck is that, man? Turn on the light.
Umalis yung si Suzu. Nag-iwan.
Corny niya.
Fine. I got it.
Oh shit. Putang ina. I don't think I don't think it's going to show up unless we find like the key.
I know. Did you find the box yet? We
No.
haven't found the box. Why is your name Newcomer? Oh, what's that? What's that?
Close it!
What's
It's
that?
there! It's there! It's there! It's there! It's there! It's there! What the fuck?
I think it can enter here. There's no talisman.
Oh shit, yeah, you're right.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yep, motherfucker.
Hard. This is hard.
Yeah, it is hard.
Hello, I found you.
Hello, walang talisman to.
Let's find this a room with a talisman.
Dyan siya nag-ano the last time.
No talisman.
Oh god, I'm tired. I have no more time for running.
No, I think ano naman yun.
I found the key! Oh shit.
No, I just need to find. Oh. Bitch.
Andyan siya, dude! Andyan siya!
I'm dead.
No.
I'm gonna die. I didn't close the door.
This bitch-ass blonde is just looking for the box. And we... Oh wait, we found the box. But we found the key. This guy's
Yeah.
just in the closet! With a stupid-looking eye! Oh my fuck, dude!
I'm hiding, bitch. I'm hiding.
Ah, that scared me!
Did you die?
No. I'm hiding.
Someone needs to open the box.
Tangina, it's just rotating on me.
So dark.
This is bullshit. My room has no talisman, dude.
I'm going down somewhere.
What the fuck? I don't even know where you are.
Oh my god, we're downstairs. The three of us. I
Huh?
found people. I found the people.
Where is that?
I just went down.
Where are you?
Somewhere.
Oh fuck, this is... I don't like this.
Oh god.
Oh! Fuck.
Namatay ka na?
No. I choked on the chocolate.
Yeah, hindi na mimigar.
Ah, shit, it's near me. I'm just gonna wait for it to die out.
Yeah.
Mama! Oh, I'm fucking tired. Oh,
I think I saw you.
Where?
Yay!
This bitch is just in the closet. It's not even doing anything.
I found the box! Oh my god!
You did? Nice.
Yeah. Bitch. What's this?
You put it on a wall and then hindi siya makakapunta doon.
A Fuda to the hallway?
Yeah. Oh, here. Ayun na!
Oh!
No, di siya makakapunta sa wall.
The Fuda is still not activated.
Ay, hindi siya Hindi talaga siya nakapunta. Yes! Fuck, yes! Phase 2, bitch! Wow!
What's next? Find the box? Again?
We have to find the box again. So is this supposed to be like difficult? Oh god.
Someone knocked on the door.
There's nothing. Nothing.
If you found that tape, there, yeah. I thought you can hide here, but no.
Akala ko din you can hide eh. Oh, what's the safe? May safe dito.
Find the paper with the code. What's that? Oh. The code?
Is it not, shabu?
Ay!
Paper with code? Okay na.
Where the hell is it? Oh!
Oh!
Hiding spot! Hiding spot! Hi, ito na nito. Oh my god. Goodbye.
Fuck! Oh, shit, I'm dead.
Ala.
Tangina, I panicked. Nagka-epileptic attack ako. When I panicked, na-epileptic attack ako.